Be nice.
Mommy, she ruined
Nice. Hey.
She ruined the party.
She did not ruin the party.
She did.
She did not ruin the party.
She did.
Here, we'll party again, okay?
Now she's getting the big old ball.
Yeah, here we go. One more time. One more time with the party. The bowling party. Are you going to get it still? It's okay. Let's still knock it down one last time. Oh.